Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Anyone who likes to know, I'm riding today on Millborough line. This is not the same one where you saw me in my last video. Certain roads here break in the middle and then start from, after like 5-10 kilometers again. So it does happen. I don't know what's the plan behind it. Maybe eventually on the line they will connect them together or whatever it is, but we do come across a lot of those roads. Edging closer to my trip. July 1st is the big day. Start off my around the world trip, but like I said or mentioned many times before, it will be starting from exploring different places in Canada, and this time won't be any different. It will be heading to Arctic Ocean, Canada, which is the only road in North America that takes you there. And particularly if anyone wants to Google, the name of the city or town is Tuktoyaktuk. It's spoken this way, but you write it as Tuktoyaktuk with T. I can't deny the anxiety, the stress is picking up. I feel I have a lot of work to do. Especially that this will be a solo trip. You just want to make sure that you're okay with everything. And in general, I think I overthink a lot of things. That's how I am. And I take a little bit more stress. So that's by nature the two bad things I have. And I can't help that. Well, but I'm trying to overcome that. Let me know if you have any tips or any tricks for me, or anything you would like to mention in the comments below if you've done a long solo trip. This will be a two-way trip up to Tuktoyaktuk, Arctic Ocean, and back, of about 15,000 kilometers in 1 month. That is about close to 9,500 miles for anyone who wants to know how many miles. So pretty long trip. Like I said, a little bit stressed, and I was overthinking about it. So I thought, why not go out for a ride? Because this is the only therapy that gets me out of it. And here I am riding on a beautiful day. Anyone done any long solo trips lately, or have done that? If they have any tips for me, let me know in the comments below. I have plenty of orders coming out from Amazon daily. Something or the other I order and I say, okay, I might need it, let's order it, let's order it, let's order it. The list is endless. But now I've come up to this conclusion, I would say, sort of, is that there will never be an end to it. So whatever I can do, I do, and the rest I gotta take it by the day. I gotta take it as I'm traveling, as I am there at that particular moment. If I need something, then there might be a few hundred kilometers away or a few hundred miles away a Walmart or something where I can always pick up something from if needed. Obviously I won't be able to pick up any mechanical electrical devices, but for most part I'm not really that concerned about it. I hope the motorcycle's pretty new. I barely have few thousand kilometers on it, so I'm not really stressed about that. But yeah, feel free to fill me in if you have any suggestions or tips of things I should carry with me on my long trip of 9,500 miles, 15,000 kilometers. But yeah, the stressful day, the anxiety makes me sometimes go crazy. And like I said, I won't deny it's happening more often now, because the days are coming closer. I feel I'm very close to the trip, so just want to make sure that I have everything on me. I also felt I've become a very careful rider, which is great. I was always a careful rider, but now more so. I'm improving some or most of my habits, trying to keep up to the most of the speed limits posted, and trying to be as safe as possible, as defensive as possible, since it's a solo trip and I'm just by myself. It will be me, myself, and my GSA. Reminds me I should name it something. I've been thinking about so many names, but I haven't been able to come up with one. So if any one of you have a nice name in mind for my motorcycle, let me know. Probably I'll reconsider it, or put a poll at the end, and decide accordingly which name I should go with for my motorcycle. Hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Feel free to let me know in the comments below for any suggestions you might have, or for my upcoming long trip. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.